Chris Zorn here, MarineMax Maryland. On board a 2019 270 Sun Deck. Start here at the transom. You have the new 300 Mercury, which has some great features to it. Not to mention, one of my favorite features, the ability to check your oil and fill oil from the top here. I'll let you take a look at that as we step in. You have SDX through the transom as well as the walkthrough. You have some great seating back here that provides a ton of storage underneath. You have a ski pole here and also one up top. Ski pole here would be great for tubing and other items like kneeboarding. Up top, you would want to hook up for wakeboarding. So you notice here on the transom too, you do have a nice washdown. Moving further in, as you can see, you have tons of seating throughout the boat. Also the ability to move this, so it's just one big conversation area. As you come further in, you'll notice your thigh-rise bolster here, as well as a very sleek looking helm. You have your SIMRAD for your GPS. It'll also give you readouts for all your gauges too. You have digital shift here at the helm, as well as the tilt steering. Here you have a Fusion stereo, which also has Bluetooth, so it's great for playing the tunes. Nice day head here, with a nice sink in there as well. Pointed out the arch before, nice bimini over here to provide some protection from the sun. As you walk through, you'll notice you have a ability to close this off to block the wind and also pull this across too. So if it is a windy day or a little bit cool, you can keep the wind off of you. As you come here to the bow of the boat, nice armrests here. You have the ability to fill this in and make it one big sun pad. You also got an attachment that will go here for a table. And then all the way forward, you have your step out ladder. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Check out our website or just come in. Again, Chris Zorn, 2019 270 Sun Deck.